So here we are at Cocoa Beach, and they have buried Brock in a bunch of sand and put a bunch of food on top of him with the hopes of getting the seagulls to come.
Oh, there goes! Hi! Back away! Back away!
Oh.
Back away, guys! Back away!
Back up, Blakey!
Back away! He sees it!
Oh, here he comes! Here he comes! Here he is!
Show all the birds how they're hovering. Now they're all close.
I can't. I'm going to get the birds.
Like move.
Get away!
Don't make any noises!
No, you're gonna get my toes!
Brock, you're all over your toes. Jordan, why do you put it by your toes?
Get very sand on my toes, quickly! Quickly!
I think all the food is gone.